any indication neronga muskema tiangi nabo ekonyale kana che Jubilee ande kere konyale kana igotemine tingo divorce ri ebya mabinde muna bya baupa wose ondara isokonyale nga divorce ri ekyo okuno gochora. I think Jubilee as a party never had structures chia kongire because it has been in existence for long. So you talk on compare na upa. Na ndeka rogoligere bya Jubilee kwa nyoranga nebuga ate a national outlook. Yani mnaona katwa NDC abantu bawete constituents ward chance NDC they are representatives of there from all constituencies. So which means it's a party that we can choose. Almost can choose it. Njitini spokesman na njengo kwa na maoni yane lakini nababu vechora na nabokego mosavu na ndege tusavu na bakenya. Jubilee is a party ya gambire Kenya at that point. So it's not a tali kiama ora compare na ebya maybe kema na upa biko chakabona ekine kiama gya kongere. So asakoto ko chiro rage chole I think ara chakere anya chingas challenge ikomi ara chakere was number 8 which number 10.